Webcam voice, no worries. Dive into this comprehensive guide on fixing Windows webcam issues. From troubleshooting common problems to practical solutions, we have got you covered. Learn step-by-step methods to address webcam not working on Windows, ensuring you are back to smooth video calls and content creation in no time. Watch now and say goodbye to webcam voice. Step 1. Check if the webcam is physically connected and properly plugged in. Step 2. Restart your computer to refresh system settings. Step 3. Update webcam drivers through Device Manager. Step 4. Test the webcam in a different application to rule out software issues. Step 5. Disable conflicting applications that might be using the webcam. Step 6. Adjust privacy settings in Windows to ensure the camera is allowed. Step 7. Run the built-in Windows troubleshooter for hardware and devices. Step 8. If using an external webcam, try a different USB port. Step 9. Check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. Step 10. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling or updating the webcam's driver from the manufacturer's website.